What tax forms do small businesses have to file? Hi, I'm Candice Cane, and I'm a tax advisor here at Robert Hall & Associates. Today we're going to talk about what tax forms a small business has to file. We'll cover the federal and state forms, and we'll talk about deadlines and extensions. As always, subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks, and let's jump right in. So what forms do your small business have to file? Well, on the federal side, it's going to depend on the type of business you have. There's a C corporation. For your federal tax, you're going to file an 1120 form. For an S corporation on the federal side, you're going to file an 1120S, S for S corporation. For a partnership, the form on the federal side is a 1065. Those are the main small business forms for the federal side. Also, if you have a sole proprietorship or a single member LLC, you're going to file that within your personal 1040, and you're going to file that on a Schedule C. So those are the federal forms. The state forms are very similar. For the corporation, it's going to depend. It's going to depend on what state you have, but they all do have similar forms that follow the federal forms. For some single member LLCs, you may have to file a separate tax return outside of your personal return with the Schedule C. You might have to file an LLC form as well. If your business does payroll, then you'll need to file forms for that as well, besides the income tax. So for the IRS, you need to file a quarterly form 941 and then an annual 940. Those are to report your payroll taxes. And any state that has income tax on the personal side is going to have payroll taxes as well. So you're going to need to file those with the state if you do payroll. The deadlines for your federal filings for your small business are going to be very similar. You have a spring date and a fall date for your extension. But if it's a partnership or an LLC or an S corporation, it's due a month early. It's due on March 15th. And then C Corps and single member LLCs are going to be due on April 15th. They all allow for a 6-month extension, the same as the personal. And so you're either going to be due on September 15th for the S corporation and partnerships and LLCs, or October 15th for the C Corps and the single member LLCs. So that's the forms you need to file for your small business. If you have any more questions, or you would want one-on-one consultation with one of our advisors, please click on the link below and we'll connect you with them. Thank you.